This is just a little belt rig I've put together. Just doing some promotional photographs for my Etsy shop. Got an old school delift pack there, it's pretty cool. So I make outdoor equipment, make it from leather mainly. This is just an example of some of my gear. Some stuff's a little bit more generic in nature, and then some stuff's a little bit more unique and utilizing a lot of things from the Australian landscape, utilizing Australian leathers. So you notice I've got something in my pocket here. These Ridgeline jackets, they do have quite a generous pockets in them. I get a lot of comments about this jacket. Ridgeline is a New Zealand company. So this is a wraparound design. We'll get this guy a little bit closer to the camera. And this is made from emu leather, and what this is what I would describe as a pocket pouch. Simple wraparound design like this. Go in the haversack, go in the pack, and it all comes like this. And I have what is a flint and steel kit. Yeah. We have these old vintage tin. This one's log cabin tobacco, that's my favorite. This one's bugle tobacco. Okay, so you can use them to make your char, or you can use something else. These are just visually interesting to sell the product in. I got char material there. A little bit of a local Australian char. And then we've got a striker in there. And all the usual accoutrements that you would expect with a flint and steel kit. Yeah. That just all wraps up again like that. Throw it in the pocket, throw it in the pack. It's a very unique design. I'm quite proud of this pouch. Hopefully photography does it justice. One of my equipment belts available in my shop. This was actually commissioned, but I'm now going to do this knife sheath as a standard setup. This is a horizontal carry for the Mora Eldris. Okay, quite a small knife, quite a useful little blade. This is an alternative way to carry it. This one has good retention in it, it's not going to drop out. Got a little saw sheath there. This is a Silky Pocket Boy. Certainly one of the better outdoor saws that are out there. Beats a lot of the competition hands down. And the other side I got another emu pouch. This one you could put a flint and steel kit or other equipment. This is just a simple belt pouch, possible pouch I suppose you could call it, just simply using emu leather. I'm just developing this at the moment. These are relatively simple sheaths I'm making for some of the more common pocket knives. This is an old timer Stockman, which actually I quite like knives like this. But it's often quite nice just to have a little pouch like that for it to go into. So there's a look at some of my leatherwork. My name's Al Ainsworth. I live here in New South Wales, eastern coast of Australia. I'm a leather worker, really focus on bush leather, also teach other bush crafts, particularly focus on foraging wild edible plants and bush tucker as well. But a bit of a side hustle. I'm a leather worker as well. Please feel free to check out my Etsy shop. That's the end of the infomercial, guys.